Welcome back to The Honey Investor. Today, we have an essential topic for all you young professionals out there: retirement planning. While retirement might seem distant and far away, starting early is the key to securing a comfortable future. In this video, we'll take you through a step-by-step guide on retirement planning, helping you make informed decisions to build a strong financial foundation for your retirement years. So, let's dive in. Step 1. Understand your retirement goals. The first step in retirement planning is understanding your retirement goals. Take some time to envision your ideal retirement lifestyle. What age would you like to retire? Do you want to travel, start a business, or simply enjoy a peaceful life? Having a clear vision will help you determine how much money you'll need to save for retirement. Step 2. Calculate your retirement savings target. Now that you have your retirement goals in mind, it's time to calculate your retirement savings target. Consider factors like life expectancy, inflation, and estimated expenses during retirement. There are various online retirement calculators available that can help you determine the amount you need to save. Step 3. Setting up a retirement account. To start saving for retirement, you'll need to set up a retirement account. Common options include a 401k or an individual retirement account, IRA. If your employer offers a 401k plan, take advantage of it. Especially if they match your contributions, it's essentially free money. Step 4. Understand retirement investments. As a young professional, you have the advantage of time, which means you can take more risks with your investments. Learn about different investment options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversifying your investment portfolio can help mitigate risk and increase potential returns. Step 5. Consistent contributions. Consistency is key in retirement planning. Make it a habit to contribute a portion of your income to your retirement account each month. Automate your contributions if possible, so you don't forget or skip a month. Step 6. Employer match and benefits. If your employer offers a 401k match, ensure you contribute enough to take full advantage of the match. It's essentially extra money for your retirement savings. Additionally, explore other benefits your employer might offer, such as a pension plan or stock options. Step 7. Monitor and adjust your plan. As life progresses, your financial situation and goals may change. Regularly review your retirement plan, especially after significant life events like marriage, having children, or a career change. Adjust your contributions and investment strategy accordingly. Step 8. Managing debt. It's essential to manage your debt while saving for retirement. High-interest debts, like credit card debt, can hinder your ability to save effectively. Focus on paying off debts strategically to free up more money for retirement savings. Step 9. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investment strategies or how to optimize your retirement plan, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. A financial advisor can help you create a personalized retirement strategy based on your unique situation and goals. Conclusion. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards a secure retirement. Remember, starting early and being consistent with your retirement savings will set you on the path to financial freedom in your golden years. Be proactive, stay informed, and make smart financial decisions along the way. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content. If you have any questions or want to share your retirement planning experiences, leave a comment below. Until next time, take care, and happy retirement planning.